Hey, how are you guys doing? Hope it's going well with online learning. I miss seeing you guys a lot. It's first 2 weeks it was just kind of okay, whatever, like a break, but now it's getting to be a little while. So I hope you're doing well, and I hope you're following along when you see the answer keys posted, that you're checking over your work. That's important to make sure you understand what's going on. Just want to talk to you for a couple minutes about a triangular prism, and then we're going to look at a square pyramid. So I have some notes here and some pictures. So the first one is a triangular prism. Okay, here's a picture of a triangular prism. First we have what it looks like in 3D. Can you kind of see how it looks a little bit like a tunnel or like a tent? And you could kind of walk in through there, and you'd be going through a tunnel and coming out the other side. That's how you know you're in a prism. You have a shape in the front and a shape in the back that are the same, then there are rectangles connecting them. Can you see how there are 3 rectangles here? One is the bottom, and its dimensions are 10 by 15, 12 by 15, excuse me. And then we have the 2 sides whose dimensions are 10 by 15. Okay, to get the surface area, you have 5 areas total. The 2 triangles in the front and the back, and then the 3 rectangles. Right below is a net of this triangular prism. It unfolds. Here are the 2 triangles, the front and the back, and then the 2 sides, and then what I call the bottom. We have to get each area and add them all up to get our surface area. So what I've written here are the 5 sides, 2 triangles, 3 rectangles, and then you can see how we have the calculation. Sorry, this isn't like more sophisticated. That's why I have the YouTube videos for you guys to really see the good sophisticated stuff. Remember, area of a triangle is 1/2 base times height, and then rectangles, of course, are just base times height. The triangles are going to give you an area of 48, but you have to double that because there's 2, so you get a total area of 96. The side rectangles, each measuring 10 by 15, give you an area of 150. I'm over here now. 2 of those, that's a total of 300. And then the bottom, which measures 12 by 15, has an area of 180. When you add all those up, you get a total area of 576 square units. Okay, so that's what you're going to be doing today. You're going to be finding the surface area of a triangular prism and a rectangular prism. Rectangular prisms like a cereal box or a shoe box. Okay, rectangular prisms have 6 sides: top and bottom, front and back, left and right. And because if you think of any kind of box, the top and the bottom are the same dimensions. So you're calculating one area and then you'll double it. The left and the right sides are the same dimensions. You calculate that area and double it. And the same thing with the front and the back. So there's just 3 unique areas. Add them all up and double it, or double as you go and add them all up. Okay, that's your job for today. You have just 2 questions to answer. If you're not sure how to do those, go back to Tuesday's lesson, look at the videos, look at the worksheet that you had, see if you can piece it all together before you submit the new Google form you're going to submit today. Okay. Now, next week you're going to start looking at square pyramids. Okay. Now what a pyramid looks like, of course, everybody knows what a pyramid looks like. But we're going to unfold those and get the surface area of them. Okay, pyramids always have some sort of base. If we say square pyramid, it's a square at the bottom, and then all of the sides are triangles. Okay, they meet at this top point called the apex. I don't have that written in there, but you're going to see it in a video. Sometimes the triangles are the same, sometimes they are different. All the pyramids, we're going to look at these side triangles. Like if you were standing inside the pyramid and the walls, they are going to be identical. But that's because we're just getting started on these. When you get to more advanced pyramids, every single triangle could be different. Okay, so just kind of be knowing that in the back of your mind. But for our purposes, we're just going to have the same triangles all the time, because our base will either be a square, that means that all four sides, of course, are the same, so the bases are the same, and then they're going to all go to a point directly above the center of the square. You could have it shifted over a little bit. It would be called an oblique pyramid. Don't worry about that. You're going to see those in high school. Not quite yet, though. Okay, so just know that your triangles along the sides, your walls will be the same. So you just get one area and you will multiply it by 4 if it's a square pyramid. We're also going to have triangular pyramids. You'll multiply by 3. Then you have to add on the square at the bottom. I have a calculation here. If you want to take a look at it, you could kind of pause this and look at the surface area, but you'll be doing that next week. You don't have to worry about it right now. Okay, so with that, go ahead and review any reviewing you need to do. Then open up your Google form, have some paper handy, have a calculator handy. You can use a calculator on this section. Find the 2 areas that you're going to be, so you're going to have a Google sheet also. You're going to have a scan sheet, and you're going to get the surface area of a rectangular prism and a triangular prism, and you're going to enter those answers along with your calculations in the Google form. I wouldn't exactly call this a quiz, but it's not multiple choice, so you have to put down an answer. Okay, do your best. Send me an email if you have any questions, and hope you're having a nice time at home and you're taking care of whatever you can take care of at home. Make sure you put your dishes in the dishwasher and all that kind of stuff. Helps out your parents because they're probably pretty busy too. All right. It was nice talking to you. I wish it were a two-way conversation, but that hopefully will come up in May. Okay. Take care, everyone. Bye.